Is your 2003-2006 GMC Yukon key fob not working? The battery is likely the problem. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement for LHJ011 fobs, saving you time and money. The battery needed is a CR2032. No software or tools are necessary for older model key fobs. The LHJ011 key fob is a small remote used for keyless entry on 2003-2006 GMC Yukons. It typically has 3 to 4 buttons: lock, unlock, panic, and rear hatch. It's powered by a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. When the battery weakens, the fob's signal becomes unreliable. Batteries drain faster in hot or cold temperatures. For replacing your GMC Yukon key fob battery, you'll only need a few simple tools. A small flathead screwdriver can work, but a plastic pry tool is recommended to prevent damage to the fob's plastic casing. You'll also need a new CR2032 battery. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam between the two halves of the key fob. Gently twist or pry to separate the case. Work your way around the fob until it pops open. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. With the key fob opened, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Take note of its orientation, with the positive side facing up. The battery may be secured by a metal clip or rubber gasket. Use gentle pressure to carefully pry out the old battery, avoiding damage to the internal components. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, making sure the positive plus side faces up towards the contact. Align the battery correctly and press down gently until it's securely in place. Snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until they click. Ensure the case is fully closed. Test all the buttons, lock, unlock, panic, within 10 to 15 feet of your Yukon. Check that all buttons function as expected. If the buttons still don't work after battery replacement, try resyncing the key fob by cycling the ignition key in the driver's door lock 3 times. This reprogramming step can restore communication between the fob and your vehicle. Always ensure the battery is inserted with the correct orientation, with the positive plus side facing up toward the contacts. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from functioning. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. Lithium batteries should not be thrown in regular trash due to environmental concerns. If problems persist after following these steps, refer to your GMC service manual for additional troubleshooting or consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis.